Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another inspiring episode. Today we're diving into a topic that resonates deeply with so many of us: the pain of being undervalued and learning to reclaim your worth. There's a unique kind of hurt that comes when you've given your all to someone who couldn't see your value. It's the pain of pouring your energy, love, and loyalty into someone who didn't appreciate it. That pain can leave you questioning your self-worth, replaying every moment, and wondering why they couldn't see what was right in front of them. But today I'm here to remind you of something incredibly important. Sometimes people don't realize what they had until it's gone. And when they do, they're left chasing, searching, and trying to fill the void you left behind, only to realize they've lost something irreplaceable. Let them search. Let them wander from person to person, trying to find what they so easily took for granted in you. Let them chase shadows of the love, loyalty, and care you gave so freely. They'll try to replace you, but soon they'll discover that not everyone brings the warmth you did. Not everyone has the heart you have, and not everyone will stand by them the way you did. When you give someone your time, your energy, your kindness, and your heart, you're offering them something unique. You're giving them the best parts of you, parts that can't be copied, replaced, or imitated. But sometimes people don't see the value of those gifts until they're no longer there. They take you for granted, assuming you'll always be around, that your love and loyalty are things they can find anywhere. But that's where they're wrong. When you decide to walk away, when you finally realize you deserve better than being someone's second choice or afterthought, they'll feel your absence. They'll start to notice the silence where your laughter used to be, the emptiness where your support used to fill them, and the void left by your presence. And they'll begin to search for that feeling again, desperate to find someone who can offer what you did. But here's the truth: they won't find it. Because you are one of a kind. It's natural to feel anger or resentment toward those who couldn't see your worth. It's human to want them to realize what they've lost and feel the pain you felt. But your peace and happiness are far more important than waiting for someone else's realization. Let them search. Let them regret. Let them come to terms with what they lost. But don't let their delayed understanding hold you back from your own growth and joy. While they're busy searching for you in others, you'll be busy rebuilding your life, nurturing your soul, and surrounding yourself with people who see your value from the very beginning. This is your time to discover your own strength, your own worth, and the undeniable fact that you never needed their validation to know how incredible you are. There is power in knowing that you gave your best and walked away with your dignity intact. You didn't settle. You didn't beg. You didn't stay in a place where you were unappreciated. You chose yourself, and that is something no one can ever take away from you. So let them search. Let them try to find another you, because they won't. Let them come to the painful realization that they had something special and let it slip away. But while they're doing that, focus on yourself. Focus on your growth, your healing, and your journey forward. Because you deserve to be with people who cherish you, who know your worth, and who will never make the mistake of taking you for granted. In time, they'll look back and wish they had treated you better, held you closer, and appreciated you for all that you are. But by then, it won't matter. You'll be living a life filled with love, joy, and the peace that comes from knowing your worth and never settling for less. So let them search. Let them realize what they've lost. Let them learn the hard way that not everyone is replaceable. And as they struggle with that realization, you'll be thriving stronger, more radiant, and more confident than ever before. Remember this: your value is not determined by how others treat you. Your worth is not diminished by someone else's inability to see it. You are worthy of love, respect, and appreciation simply because of who you are. So today, make a promise to yourself. Promise that you won't settle for less than you deserve. Promise to prioritize your own happiness and well-being. And promise to never let someone else's inability to see your worth define how you see yourself. You are strong. You are valuable. And you are irreplaceable. Never forget that. Thank you for watching, and if this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep shining and remember your worth. You deserve nothing but the best.